So, good morning, students. Today I'll start from the question number 6. What is say that if from twice the greater of the two numbers 16 is subtracted, the result is half the others. If from the half the greater, okay, twice the greater of the two numbers, if x and y be the two number, if you say that x and y be the two number, if two number be x and y, okay, and x greater than y. So if the question say that the twice the greater number means is what? To according to first question, according to condition first. Twice the greater of the two numbers, 16 is subtracted. The result is half the others number. The result is half the others number. The result is half the others number. So do the calculation. 4x minus 32 is equal to y. That means 4x minus y is equal to 32. This is one equation. And another equation be what? If from the half the greater number, if from the half the greater number, if one is subtracted, the result is still half the other numbers. Okay. So x by 2 minus y by 2, you can get 1. So like 2 will be the LCM. X minus y is equal to 1. That means x minus y is equal to 2. Okay. So you are getting that these are the two equation, you can get it. Now you can solve it. So first equation 4x minus y 32. Second equation x minus y 2 minus plus minus. Sorry. This will become 3x. This is cancelled. 30. So x value will be what? X value will be 10. Now whenever x value will be 10, then put the equation be there. Then x value is 10 minus y is equal to 2. That means minus y is equal to 2 minus 10. That is minus 8. So y value will be 8. So your answer will be, this is the answer. X value 10, y value is 8. This is clear? Okay. Next, another math I will show to you. That is the question number 10. Question number 10. If 1 is added to the numerator of the fraction, it becomes 1 by 5. Suppose the fraction will be x and y, x by y. If the numerator is added by 1, it becomes 1 by 5. That means 5x plus 5 is equal to y. 5x minus y is equal to minus 5. Next, if 1 is taken from the denominator, the fraction become equal to half. Now again do the cross multiplication. 2x y minus 1. 2x minus y is equal to minus 1. Now solve these two part. So this is cancelled. 3x is equal to whatever your answer is. What is the question? Is if 1 is added to the numerator of the fraction, x is the numerator, it becomes 1 by 5. That means 5x plus 5 is equal to y, 5x minus y is equal to minus 5. Okay. And next part, if the denominator, if 1 is taken from the denominator, it becomes 1 by 7. That's why it is do the wrong. It is 1 by 7. 1 by 7 means this will be the 7x. Okay, so 7x. 5x minus y is equal to minus 5 and 7x minus y is equal to minus 1. So do the minus plus plus. Cancel it. Minus 2x minus 4, cancel it. X value is 2. So whenever you can get the x value is 2, put this equation suppose number 1. Then whatever you can get, 5 into 2 minus y is equal to minus 5. 10 minus y is equal to minus 5. Minus y is equal to minus 5 minus 10. That is minus 15. Minus minus cancel. Y value 15. So if you say the original fraction will be what? Original fraction will be x by y. Original fraction, if I write it, x by y, so x value will be 2, y value will be 15. So this will be your answer. Clear? Okay. Next, another math. Suppose question number if I say the question number 10 I have shown 13. If two-digit number of the sum of the digit is 7, let the number be 10x plus y. 10x plus y. If the two-digit number, the sum of the digit is 7. Sum of the digit is 7. Okay. If the number with the order of the digit reverse, ten y plus x, this is reversed. If the digit is reversed, is 28 greater than twice the unit digit of the original number. So if you can reverse the digit, then whatever you can get. So we are getting what? We are getting x plus y is equal to 7. This is the first condition. And next, after reversing the condition, then whatever you can get it, you see that 10y plus x, this part, minus, what is the question? 2y is the unit digit, 2y is the unit digit, 2x. Okay, 2y is the unit digit. अच्छा 10y plus x is equal to what? Unit digit 2y 28 greater. Okay, 28 greater. That means whatever you can get it, x plus 8y is equal to 28. This is the second condition. Clear? Now so that just wait. So you see that if I solve the x plus y is equal to 7, just do the minus 7y is equal to 21. Y is equal to 21 by 7, 3. Okay, now place it here. Now what is the x value? 7 minus y. That is 7 minus 3, that is 4. So actual answer will be the number will be this. So 10 into x value is 4, y value is 3. So your answer will be 40 plus 3, that is 43. So in this way, stepwise, you can do the work stepwise. If you can do that work, I think you are solving this problem, but thoroughly read the question several times. Otherwise, you cannot be solving it. Okay? Goodbye and practice well.